Yeah, it's the if you are going through something, it's up endurance, stronger than your faith, and I'll be fine.
Try your soul.
Use that pain to further your growth. Use that growth to further your destiny. You're gonna make it. Keep that in mind. Strengthen your hope. Keep your high hope. Yeah. I know they don't talk about my start, but they will talk about my end. I know they see my scars, but it's judgment they see me bleed. I know they celebrate my losses, but it's better to catch me when I win. Gonna be the type of man they can't ignore. Gonna try to L to G, losses to gain, P to P, pain to profit, P to P, pain for progress, P to P, pain to power, L for L, losses for lessons, R to R, rags to riches, that's gonna be my way. Losses to dips when you're building a name. P for patient with it you won't break. G for gamble, no life's a gamble. Every setback, refine your grind. When the dice fall, you roll it back again. When you feel low, just look at the sky. We living fast, no break to take, no time to rewind. So cross the focused. And they will talk about my start, but they see my end. And they don't talk about my scars, but they tell me when they see me bleed. And they celebrate my losses, but they better to catch me on a win. Wanna be the faithful man that they caring on. Gonna turn L to G, losses to gain, P to P, pain to profit, P to P, pain for progress, P to P, pain to power, L for L, losses for lessons, R to R, rags to riches, that's gonna be my way. Lots of hits, when you're building a name. P for patient, we do break. G for gamble, life's a gamble. Every setback define your grind. When dice fall, we roll it back again. When you feel like you're feeling up, just look at the sky. We living fast, no break to take, no time to rewind. So gotta stay focused.